So today I wanted to hop on here to talk about this screen printing kit. So I am a very crafty person. I love making little trinkets for my friends and for myself. And recently I've been really into making tote bags. And sometimes with heat transfer vinyl, things just don't go perfectly right. So I wanted to get into screen printing, and this kit has absolutely everything you need as a beginner. So you can see there is ink all over some of the screens. That's because I did try it out and there's ink there. I did try it out just to make sure that I could do it, and it was so much easier than I ever could have thought it would be. You get complete instructions on how to use all of the items included in this kit. So in the kit, you have your screen printing inks, which the great thing about these screen printing inks is you can mix them to get different colors. So you have your primary colors as well as white and black, and then bonus, you get a green, which is really cool. You have your palette knife, which can be used for mixing your colors or applying it onto the screen. You have your 4 different sized screens. You have 2 wooden squeegees for applying the ink. You have an apron because this is a messy business. You have stirring sticks. Again, same use as the palette knife, only these are more one-time use. You get gloves, again, to protect your hands from any ink stains. You get another plastic squeegee and a smaller, finer detail plastic squeegee. You have, as well as your transfer paper if you want to burn your screens. And then you also get masking tape to tape off the edges of the screen. So I am someone, I prefer to use vinyl rather than burn the screens with an emulsion. So that is what I'm going to show you by using vinyl on the screens, and I am going to show you how I screen print a tote bag. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Okay, so this is the process that I use to screen print using adhesive vinyl. So with my Cricut, I cut out the vinyl of the design that I wanted to do, and I reverse weeded it, and I made sure it was set to mirror whenever I was cutting it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the backing off it. I'll put it on the transfer paper and put it onto the screen, making sure it's adhered nice and tight before taking that transfer tape off, and then my screen is ready to use. It's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put a cardboard sheet underneath my tote bag because I don't want that ink to transfer on the other side. I don't want to double ink it. So the next step that you're going to do is you're going to masking tape off anywhere on your screen that you don't want the ink to go, that's already not covered by that template. So you can see that pink is what's going to be blocked off, and whatever's left where it has the books, the heart, and the little book itself, that is where the ink is going to go. So make sure you tape it off. And now I'm going to mix up my color because I wanted it to be more of a light blue, and I even kind of wanted more of a marble effect. So I am using the blue and the white to mix up a much lighter color, and then I'm going to marble it within the screen itself. Now that my ink is placed, I am going to take my squeegee and pull that ink down across the design. And when I pull up, my design will be transferred onto my tote bag with the ink. And I'm just going to clean up a little bit of the sides.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoy your screen printing set.